Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with WooCommerce for LinkedIn funnel site setup, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the official WooCommerce website. Click on the Get Started button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to create an account, so provide your email address. Set a strong password and confirm it by entering it again in the designated field. Once completed, click on the Create Account button to proceed. Check your email for a confirmation message from WooCommerce. Click on the verification link included in that email to activate your account. After verifying your email, return to the WooCommerce login page. Log in using your newly created credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on Settings to configure your WooCommerce settings. Under the General tab, set your store location and currency preferences. Next, go to the Products tab to set up product types and display settings. Adjust the payment options by selecting the Payments tab. Choose your desired payment methods and configure each one accordingly. Proceed to the Shipping tab to set up your shipping zones and costs. Set your tax configuration under the Tax tab if necessary. Once you've completed all your settings, publish your site. Next, integrate WooCommerce with LinkedIn by accessing your LinkedIn account. Go to the Settings and Privacy section on LinkedIn. Select Account Preferences, then locate LinkedIn Partners. Click on Add a Partner and choose WooCommerce from the list. Follow the prompts to connect your WooCommerce account to LinkedIn. Once connected, you can access various tools to create your LinkedIn funnel. Final adjustments can be made by revisiting your WooCommerce settings. Your WooCommerce site is now fully registered and integrated, ready for your LinkedIn funnel setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.